Molex connectors and cables for robotics are now available from Sager Electronics. High-speed FACRA Mini, Brad Industrial Ethernet, standard RJ45 connectors, and a variety of fiber optic solutions provide high-speed connectivity for real-time processing with low latency. Molex Fit family connectors deliver power and signals with enhanced reliability measures, while the Scuba family features an IP68 rated sealing to ensure a reliable connection in wet and harsh environments. These compact connectors are ideal for a wide range of demanding applications. These are complemented by heavy-duty and shielded connectors for rugged applications. Molex also offers a wide range of FFC and FPC connectors and jumpers, board-to-board and wire-to-board solutions that combine speed, density, power, and robustness, plus additional connector and cable solutions to enable efficient and reliable robots in fulfillment centers, factory floors, and our everyday lives. To learn more about Molex connectors and cables for robotics, visit Sager.com.